In fact, we're turning now to more news coming in this hour. Bangladesh's envoy to the UN, Tariq Muhammad Ariful Islam, has defended the arrest of Hindu priest Chinmoy Krishna Das, stating it was based on specific charges and not indicative of systematic attack on minorities. Chinmoy, a former ISKCON member, was arrested at Dhaka airport on sedition charges and denied bail by a Chattogram court. The arrest, however, has sparked concerns and protests, with many questioning the safety of minorities in Bangladesh. Gargi Nandi Roy, political analyst, is joining us for more details on this story. Gargi Nandi Roy, what do you make of this statement made by the Bangladesh envoy to the UN?
It's a complete lie. What do I say? Everybody knows, the world knows that what Chinmoy Krishna Das was demanding. He was demanding that the victims of the assault, which happened after Hasina's ouster, they should be rehabilitated, there should be compensation for them. The culprits of the perpetrators should be punished. There should be a commission for the minorities. There should be 5 days of Durga Puja holiday. All very valid humanitarian demands. And the person, I just forgot that the person who was speaking from Bangladesh, the kind of lies that he was peddling, we all are having information. And let me tell you, my father was a small child when partition happened and he had come from there. So we are the second generation. My Nanaji, my grandfather, my maternal grandfather came from there. My father-in-law, who has a house in CR Park, I've come to your studio from there. So it's the second generation or third generation from my mother's side. We know, we have grown up hearing the horrors of partition. Our generation has not seen 47 or 71, but we are witnessing that, and it is paining us very much because of the same culture, same Durga Puja. We know what is happening, and I'll tell you, today also, I've just seen, before coming to your channel, a young boy from Kolkata, Belghoria, Shayon. He's a Hindu boy who had gone to Bangladesh. He was brutally attacked. He somehow came back. He was hit with bricks on his head. There was a knife attack on his cheek. And what is he talking? Chinmoy Krishna Das. 51 lawyers were there on the first day. All of their chambers and houses were attacked. There have been false cases framed against them. Tomorrow, 3 o'clock is the hearing again. And what about those 2 people? They went to give him the brahmacharis, the 2 brahmacharis who went to serve him prasad. They were arrested without any warrant. Any secular democratic country, do they arrest like that? And who are freed? Those are freed who are terrorists. Ansarul Bangla, people who were jailed by Hasina because of their terrorist activities. Someone like a Jashimuddin Rahmani who has been released. Today they have acquitted Tariq Rahmani, Khaleda Jia's son, who was accused of grenade hurling at Hasina's meeting, and so many. So what are they releasing? All terrorists. The land is Bangladesh is becoming a land of jihadis, and all terrorists are out. They are threatening India. We have seen how Indian flag was insulted in that university, and they are not indebted to India. They owe their independence to India. Everything goes from here. Everything from potatoes, rice, wheat, sugar, plastic, iron, you name it, coal and power, big supplier of power. So I think India can take strong action. The UN is not saying anything. There are people who talk about what is happening in Gaza, but they're not bothered about the torture on the Hindus. And the Hindus are the original inhabitants of this land of Bangladesh. They are the original inhabitants. Let me declare it to all. And Chinmoy Krishna Das said that. What did he do? He called for a meeting of protest. He was demanding some rights for the minorities. And see, all ISKCON is protesting. Today, all the prayers are held in Kolkata ISKCON and across the globe. From Vladivostok to New Jersey to New Zealand, everywhere ISKCON prayer is happening for Chinmoy Krishna Das. So what is he saying? That they are also supporting Chinmoy Krishna's release, but they were scared because Dhaka or the ISKCON in Bangladesh was threatened with ban. So they had to come out with such kind of statement. He's still a part of ISKCON. From Kolkata, the statement has been given. So this person, whoever came on your channel, he was absolutely peddling lies. Hindus are living in fear. I have met Hindus in Delhi only. Near your office, Chittaranjan Park, there was a fair before Durga Puja where stalls were from Bangladeshi weavers had come, and they were Hindu weavers. And they were saying how scared they were. They were saying that it's good that your ancestors came from there during partition. So, people are under fear. Hindus are living in fear.
Yes.
What is this? And I'm telling
Okay, stay with us. More breaking news now coming in. Bangladeshi